why all medical injuries may not be medical malpractice. Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I am a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today about why not all medical injuries will be medical malpractice. Now, a lot of times when individuals contact me and they're talking to me about an injury that they have suffered and they've been in the care of a doctor or they've been in a hospital, a lot of times these injuries are serious. I mean, these can be devastating injuries that individuals are suffering from. And it's easy to understand why a lot of people think that, well, I had a bad result and a doctor was giving me a procedure or was treating me, and so that automatically must mean that it's medical malpractice. Well, the truth of the matter is that it does not work like that. A bad result does not automatically mean in the state of Maryland that medical malpractice occurred. Now, I want you to stay with me because I'm going to explain to you why this is the case. Okay, Maryland law requires that you have to use medical experts to prove that your treating doctor fell below the standard of care owed to you. And by deviating or falling below that standard, this is what caused your damages, your injury, the harm. So if you step back and you really think about it, there's a lot of things at play here. Remember, you have got to have a medical expert who's going to give an opinion as to what that standard of care was at the time and whether that treating doctor fell below that standard of care. You need medical people to say this. And if you're not a doctor, then a lot of times then you are not going to understand what that standard is. So you have to have other doctors who will say what the standard was and whether that treating doctor deviated from the standard causing your injury or causing your harm. So if you really look at it, you can have a situation where a doctor can stay within the standard of care, do everything right, and for whatever reason, you just get a bad result. So the purpose of today's video is to help you get insight into this process, to help you understand that if you've got an injury that occurred and you were in the care of a doctor or you were at a hospital, that there is a lot of analysis that has to go on. Your attorney will get the medical records, will look at the medical records, will interview you, talk to you about what was going on, and they will have medical experts to look at everything, review everything, and give an opinion as to whether you have a possible medical malpractice case. Until all of that is done, then it's going to be hard just immediately to say, yes, you have a medical malpractice case, or no, you do not have a medical malpractice case. If you have more questions about what's going on with your injury, if you would like to talk with me further about what's going on, if you would like me to go through some of this analysis with you, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And what is that action? To go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury and wrongful death questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.